this country will have enough vaccine supply.
A major push to get America vaccinated. The president says the country will get the number of vaccines needed 2 months earlier than originally planned. Hello, everyone. I'm Vic Carter.
And I'm Denise Cook. Well, this comes as Maryland records fewer than 500 new coronavirus infections. That is the lowest single-day increase since October. But the pace of testing has also dropped. And Governor Hogan says after the initial shipment next week, Maryland will not get more doses of Johnson & Johnson's new vaccine until March 18th.
He also appointed the former head of the CDC under the Trump administration as a top advisor on the state's vaccine rollout. WJZ investigator Mike Hogan is live at the Baltimore Convention Center vaccination site to break down all of these new developments. Mike.
Vic, Denise, the good news, according to the governor, Maryland did get some Johnson & Johnson vaccine shipments today, and the supply issues are only short-term. A blow to Maryland's vaccination efforts. The state will not get any more doses of the new Baltimore-made Johnson & Johnson vaccine from the federal government for at least the next 2 weeks, although the state will get slightly more Pfizer and Moderna.
And they just shipped out every single one they had in the 1 week. And now they have to catch back up again, and they just wouldn't have any more. The next shipment won't come for another 18 days.
Maryland will receive the roughly 50,000 J&J doses it was promised for this week.
There are about 1 million people who are currently eligible for the vaccine who we cannot schedule for a vaccine.
Is that feasible? Governor Hogan also defended his controversial response to my question last week that Baltimore was getting more vaccines than the city was entitled to.
My comment was simply a factual one, saying that the city actually had a higher allocation. They had the #1 allocation.
The governor has now agreed to prioritize appointments at the Baltimore Convention Center for underserved Baltimore zip codes. Still, some lawmakers say the comments caused damage.
We also need to not engage in this dangerous rhetoric of attempting to pit other jurisdictions against each other.
Hogan also appointed Dr. Robert Redfield, the former head of the CDC under President Trump, as Maryland's new senior advisor to public health.
And I'm not going to sit here and defend everything that the president said or did, or relitigate the past, and I'm not sure Dr. Redfield wants to do that either.
Redfield faced criticism that under the Trump administration the virus was politicized, that he failed to stand up to the president.
I'm proud of what we did. We did put science first.
Now, Dr. Redfield did say that he was disappointed in the inconsistency of messaging during his tenure at the CDC. He is serving Governor Hogan on a volunteer basis. Reporting live at the Convention Center mass vaccination site, Mike Hogan, WJZ.